welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vanessa. So it has been a while since I have filmed a video. I think it's been 3-4 months. I started school, I also started a new job. It's just been kind of hard to find the time to vlog and everything. Today I woke up and I was like, let me vlog today. I have a lot of things to do. So today's video is going to be a day in the life of a pre-med student at the University of Florida. I'm going to kind of give a little rundown of what's going on today. So it is currently around 6:40 in the morning. Yeah, I know it's pretty early. I'm trying to start my day earlier, that way I can sleep earlier at night. So I have a physics quiz today, a photo shoot for one of my organizations, midterm to study for tomorrow. I also have 2 classes today. I have intro to health disparities and I have physics discussion today. I'll also be choosing my classes for the spring semester, and I also have a final exam part 1 tomorrow as well, so I'll also be working on that. So that's basically the little rundown of what I have going on today. So I'm just going to start my day. So I have spring registration at 8 o'clock in the morning. I am so ready for it. Usually the website crashes because there are so many people on the website trying to add their classes to the schedule and everything. This is a very stressful mission because if you don't get the classes that you want, then you have to wait until someone drops a class so you can add it, and that could take a while, and sometimes there's just no seats available at all. No one drops a class, or someone does drop the class but you're too late to add it. The time that it's time to register is the time that you need to make sure you are fast and quick to choose your classes. I actually wrote down all the classes that I want to take, and I wrote down which time. I wrote down the exact class code. That way when I register for classes, I can just put the exact code for that specific class to make sure that I get it super fast. The classes that I'm thinking about taking for the spring semester is Physics 2, Physics 2 Lab. I do want to be a TA for microbiology lab, but I don't know if I'm going to get that class because that position does fill up pretty quickly, and I don't know if I have the spot. They haven't reached out to me yet and told me, oh, you have the class. And I also want to register for immunology as well as virology, and I was thinking about adding cancer biology, but cancer biology doesn't fill any requirements for my major. And also I'm starting to get close the max amount of credits that you can have at a university, so it's kind of I don't even know if I can even take it. And right now I already have 5 classes, but if I don't get the TA position, I may add cancer biology. I don't know, we'll see. That's on my schedule because I'm thinking about it, but definitely for sure Physics 2, Physics 2 Lab, immunology and virology, those 4 classes, I need those classes. And then I really hope I can get the TA class. But since registration is at 8 o'clock in the morning and it is currently 7 o'clock in the morning, I'm just going to be studying for my physics quiz. Okay, so there's only 5 more minutes left until registration starts. Wish me luck, guys. 10 more seconds and I can register. Okay, it starts. No way. No way. There's no more classes for physics. The class that I wanted, there are no more seats. Okay, there are other classes. Oh my gosh, I gotta be so quick with it. Oh my gosh, I really wanted this class though. Okay, we're just gonna need to... okay, we'll just do this one. Oh wait, no, I don't want this class. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. Cancel. No, I don't want it. I don't want it. Oh my gosh, I can't do 8:30 classes. Okay, this one is not bad. We'll do this one. Okay, so we have this. I don't even know if they're a good professor or not. I just need to put a class in. Okay, let's see if they have the lab that I want. 17788. Oh my gosh, it's the 4 classes. Oh, okay, 7? Wow. There's no more lab. Oh my gosh. It doesn't matter who I take because it's online. It's 100% online this year because of COVID and everything. Yes, there's 40 more seats. Okay, so I have immunology. 1 more class left. 16313. Okay, I'm just gonna add cancer biology just in case. There's no more seats for cancer biology. Wow, okay, great. Okay, so I just finished choosing my classes. I added African American Studies because it fulfills my minor requirement. I'm working on a minors for health disparities. I don't know if it's gonna stay here 100% because I still want to do the TA, but this is my schedule. Only 14 credits. I am enrolled in physics. I was really trying to get physics for only Tuesday and Thursday, but they all like start at like 10:40, and if I do get the TA section that I want to be in is at the 8:30 to 11:30. So I have to keep this space free just in case I get that position, and everything else is online. So it looks like I'm not taking any classes, but yeah, I'm taking a lot. So the reason why like physics pop up twice is because UF is trying to like start doing in-person classes again, but like they're only going to have like a small amount of people are able to like be like in the lecture halls. They have to like social distance and wear masks, and then everybody else takes it online. I personally prefer to take it online. I know a lot of people hate it. I hated it too, but I got used to it. The benefits of doing everything online is that you have so much flexibility. I know people who like literally like decide to like go rent a house like in a different state, and they're over there right now taking their classes. I mean, you shouldn't be traveling, you really shouldn't, but I see people like they kind of like go like on a little trip, whatever, and they're still able to attend class because everything is online. Okay, it is now time for lecture. It is 8:28. Lecture starts at 8:30. This is my intro to health disparities class. If you are at UF or if you are thinking about going to UF, definitely consider taking this class. It is class WST 2322, Introduction to Health Disparities. It is an amazing class. It has definitely like made me more aware of the things that like keep people from like seeking like medical care, or like it also like really like showed me how like there are so many factors that affects people's health, and like a lot of these factors are preventable. It is so easy to like fix these things so that more people can have access to good quality healthcare. Okay, so I also have to check if I'm muted or if my camera's on. Like I have to like constantly check because I'm always scared that like I'm gonna be like talking and like everyone hears me. Hold on. Okay, no one can hear me. Yeah, I'm just going to be in class. Okay, so this is basically how I do lectures. So like I have like the study guide for like the upcoming exam like right here on this screen, and then I have the lecture here. So like as she's like talking, I can like put notes like at the same time. So this helps me to be like very efficient when it comes to lectures and also studying. Okay, so I just finished lecture. The last lecture that I have, well, it's not really a lecture, it's physics discussion. So it's basically me and like 20 other students, and we have like a graduate TA. So like she leads like the discussion. She kind of like goes over like what we went over in lecture, and then we are broken up into small groups and we work on like problems and stuff like that. So that's the last class that I have. My discussion ends at 11:30 and the photo shoot is at 12. So I'm going to like put on my uniform so that like right after like discussion I can just go straight to the photo shoot. And then from there I'm going to be at the library and getting more work done. Okay, so I just changed into my polo for my organization. The organization that I have the photo shoot for is called SAO, or Student Admissions Officers. So I basically am like the student representative for the Office of Admissions here at UF. We're having like a photo shoot for our recruitment. Usually recruitment happens in the fall semester, but because of COVID, they decided to do it in the spring. So we're just gonna do like a little photo shoot just to like, you know, to like get people excited for next semester to apply. I might do like a Q&A like college video. You guys can like ask me like questions about like what organizations I'm involved in, what's this organization, that organization, like all that stuff. I'm not sure when I'm going to do it, but that's a video I do want to do. So if you guys have any questions about college life, definitely like put your comments down, well, put your questions down in the comment section down below.
Why you get this part of the first row. So
I just finished physics discussion. It was pretty good. We didn't get put into breakout rooms. Instead, she just did like practice problems like with the whole class and did like different scenarios. Now I'm going to be packing up like my computer and just like all the stuff that I need to like study, and I'll be heading to Plaza of the Americas because that is the spot that they chose for the photo shoot for organization. And then from there I'll be going to Library West to study. And I also remember I have a meeting with my boss today. I completely forgot about that until I checked my calendar. I also have a meeting with my team for my job as well. Completely forgot until I checked my calendar. This is why it is important to have a calendar, because it keeps you organized. Like very, very important to have, honestly, for your entire life. Not even just college, for like everything. I'll also be going to Starbucks. There's a Starbucks at the library as well. I really need some coffee because I really want to go back to sleep, but I need to like push myself to like stay awake and get work done. Alright, so I'm going to be leaving now. I don't know how much I'm going to vlog outside because I kind of get a little bit nervous like vlogging in front of people. So I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I possibly can. Let's go! I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I just finished the photo shoot. I'm now going to the library and then we can get some work done. I am back. So I didn't know you cannot go to the library with like open drinks. I didn't even know that was a thing because that was never a thing before. I guess it might be a new thing with COVID. The only way that I could go in is if I had like a flask, which I didn't. I had to like postpone my meeting with my boss. I told him if we can like change it to like 2 o'clock because I didn't feel like I was gonna make it back here by 1. So I'm going to be drinking my coffee, just do a little bit of work, and then I'll have my meet with my boss, and then we'll keep going from there. I forgot to say, it felt really good to be outside. I kid you not, I am like in my room like almost like every single day. It's very rare for me to go outside. Like it's very rare for me to like leave my room and like go outside the building, just because like all my classes are online. Just not really a lot of things happening on campus. Also like it's safer for me to like just stay in my room compared to like being out and about. It wasn't a lot of people like how it usually is, but there was like a good amount of people like outside. It felt nice like being around my peers. It was very like refreshing to like just be outside. The weather's really nice. So it is currently 1:42 p.m. I have a meeting with my boss at 2, so I'm just getting ready for the Zoom meeting. So that's kind of like one thing I like, is that like I get to like do like all my meetings like from the comfort of like my home. I kind of like it. Like, not gonna lie, before I was like, but I kind of like this. Like, it's really not that bad. I can like take like a 10-minute nap, wake up, and like just log into my Zoom, and like I'm there, you know. I have about like 16 more minutes. I already prepared my computer for the whole Zoom. I'll show you guys. I have like the Zoom link like right here, so like once it's like time like for the meeting, like I'm just gonna like press like enter, and then like it's gonna take me to like the Zoom like meeting, whatever. In the meantime, I'm going to continue studying for my physics quiz. Basically for my physics quiz, I like redo the homework because usually the quizzes are similar to the homework. So as long as I understand the homework, I should do pretty well on the quiz. Okay, so I just finished my Zoom meeting. It was great. It only took like 16 minutes. I do have a meeting tonight at 8 o'clock p.m. So hopefully I could finish my quiz and also start my final exam, part 1, for one of my classes, which is bioinformatics. But yeah, one thing at a time. So physics first, physics quiz. We're gonna focus on that, and then I'll focus about the finals later. Let's study. Hey guys, so it is almost 8 p.m. I just finished my physics quiz. Yeah, it took me that long to like redo the homework and make sure I understand the concept and everything. It took me longer than I expected. I don't know my grade yet. It usually takes a week for it to be graded. I also had an executive board meeting for one of my organizations, NAACP. I actually completely forgot I had a meeting until I checked the group chat and I was like, oh, I have a meeting. Now I will be attending my meeting for my job. That's my last meeting of the night. So it is past 10 o'clock. My work meeting lasted for over 2 hours. It was a 2-part meeting and there was also technical difficulties, so it ran longer than usual. But I still have to study for my 2 exams tomorrow. I'm going to be studying for my part 1 of my final exam for bioinformatics. This class really stresses me out. Oh my god. Just looking at this makes me nervous. And then I'll be spending around another hour studying for my microbiology lab midterm. I think I'm just going to end the vlog here. I'm just going to be studying for my 2 exams. Comment down below what videos you guys want me to upload. Definitely subscribe to my channel for like more like college videos, more videos from me on whatever I want to film and upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to follow me on my social media to stay up to date with what's going on with my life, I guess. I hope you guys have a wonderful, amazing, great, fantastic day, night, afternoon, evening, whatever time it is. Bye guys! I'm heavily considering going to sleep and just waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning and like study before I take my exam. But at the same time, if I wait until tomorrow, I'll be risking it because I'm gonna have less time to like study. But then again, I did take the practice midterm for advanced microbiome lab and I got a 24 out of 25 and I finished it in 9 minutes. I feel like I'm prepared for that exam, but at the same time the practice exam could be a very easy version of the actual exam. It could be a trick, you know? It's like the practice exam is like so easy, but then the actual exam is like really complicated, and like he did tell us like the actual exam is going to be all critical thinking, so it's like it's gonna be harder. So I don't know, like bioinformatics, I don't even know like how I have an A in that class. It's just, it's there. It's there, honestly. I shouldn't even question it. I should just be thankful that the A is there. I do all the work, I watch all the lectures, I do all the assignments, I answer the questions based on what I heard on the lecture, but it's not clicking in my head though. Like it's not clicking, so it's like